Namaskar. Welcome back to vastusastra.com. According to Vedas, one of the most result-oriented remedy is called Ashtadik Bandhan. What is meant by Ashtadik Bandhan? The word derived from Sanskrit. Ashta means 8, Dik means quadrant, Bandhan means bond. The meaning of Ashtadik Bandhan is connecting to the 8 cardinal directions. By placing the deities of the earth in form of yantras on the quadrant, the dwellers will be protected from the unseen negative energies. This remedy is being practiced from the ancient times. Let us see more details on it.
Use of yantras. One of the purest form of rectification in Vastu is placement of yantras in 8 cardinal compass directions of a property. Our residing places are governed by 5 elements, which is the northeast is governed by water, the southeast is governed by fire, the southwest is governed by earth, the northwest is governed by air, and the center is governed by the sky. There are 8 deities governing our residing quadrants. Lord Shiva governing northeast. By this proper placement of the quadrant, the dweller will experience a trouble-free life. Lord Indra governing east. By the proper placements of this quadrant, the dweller will experience comfort in life. Lord Agni governing southeast. By the proper placement of this quadrant, the dweller will experience good health. Lord Yama governing south. By the proper placement on this quadrant, the dweller will have a good longevity. Lord Niriti governing southwest. By the proper placement of this quadrant, the dweller will govern the house. Lord Varuna governing west. By the proper placement of this quadrant, the dweller will experience free from debts. Lord Vayu governing northwest. By the proper arrangement of this quadrant, the dweller will experience smooth relationship. Lord Kubera governing north. By the proper arrangement of this quadrant, the dweller will be blessed with wealth and prosperity. This is how 8 deities are governing the quadrant. It is a powerful product used in Vastu Sastra correction of a negative environment, and a proper placement of the diagram has been found to provide a cure for the negativity that afflicts the property. The yantras are divided according to 5 elements: earth, air, fire, water, and ether, and are available in gold, silver, or copper. Each yantra has different purposes, and it is buried or hung on the walls of the 8 sectors of the property. They are used for a dweller seeking contentment, comforts, education, success, and love. They remove restlessness and avert failures and troubles. They bestow wisdom and respect, create affection and remove worries, and bring success in an effort to seek spiritually in solitude. Yantra for residential and commercial properties. The recommended use is on the land of a new property for a building that is unable to have things arranged according to Vastu Sastra rules. Yantra should be placed before a building is constructed, and it should be done by a qualified Vastu expert. It involves a prayer ceremony to nullify negativity effects on the ground and renew the gravitational power of the earth. Just as a mantra is sound composition, a yantra is a geometrical composition that reveals a particular energy, configures whose power increases in an exact proportion to the abstraction and precision of the diagram. Used together with the mantra or seed sound syllables, each yantra displaces the pattern of force heard in the mantra. The yantra is potent and dynamic sacred symbol. The concentric lines of yantras define their volume and create a rhythmic unity. Yantras functions as revelatory symbols of cosmic truth and instructional charts of the spiritual aspects of human experience. It is a psychic product of personal fulfillment. Through a complex symbol construction with the multiple layers of metaphysical meaning, it also aids a man to return to his original wholeness. Once a dweller has performed this ceremony, the power of the yantra buried in the particular plot can last for 60 years.